Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today we're gonna do this now. This area to put ceiling, or ceiling like this. Okay. So the curtain can put inside. Okay. Simple. Or we just click on here. Okay. Okay. First I hide this one now. The one skirting. So we use custom and this one ceiling. Then you double click on the ceiling. Okay, simple as that. You click on here, then okay, first here this one you make it 10, make it 1, all the layer. Then we create another layer from here to here, or create another layer. Simple. We just draw first. I use polyline, simply draw. Okay, maybe I click this one, offset. Offset another, like how many usually 200 200. Okay, then click on it. So here I don't want, right? I press T, so I can change the size. Okay, this one make it 0, or I don't want the ceiling. Okay, this one I don't want the trough or 0. Okay, I don't want the hole also 0. Click 0. Okay, then click back the T button, make sure it's moved, then you exit, right click exit. Okay, then you click on here, this one right, you make it 300. Thus you will see here have a light drop. If you want light, you can click on the line, then you just add lighting, add lighting. Okay, simple as that. Or add lighting. Then you can complete this one, this pattern, the light drop. Okay, exit, so you can see better. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.